As being on YouTube and being a woodworker, there are many things that become a positive first, like having subscribers, having your plans followed and liked, and just a general conversation alone. However, there are many bads. And the first bad that I have had is failure due to my arrogance on the vertical planter and how to make a tabletop. And my arrogance of not using anything besides glue has led this to pop out and fell. So that's why I'm removing the vertical planter and the tabletop from YouTube until I find a way to amend it. So with that being said, I'm going to amend the two videos of how to make a tabletop and the vertical planter and republish them alongside with the normal weekly video that I put out. Sorry if you have followed these plans to detail. If you have, please use some kind of reinforcement screw, brad nail, whatever the case may be. I just can't stand to have faulty work out there. So again, my sincerest apologies, and I will catch you on the normal Wednesday. Thank you.